All right, so wanted to do a small unboxing from BBTS here. Obviously, you can see it written all over the box, but I wanted to save this at first for a much larger unboxing with a bunch of figures that I have coming in soon, but that will be a while, and I wanted to give you guys some content. So I have quite a few things coming in. I have the Starman Cammy coming in. I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to that figure because I can do a nice little comparison with the Play Toys Cammy that I have already, and so that would be a nice little video for that one. I got some stuff coming in from 5K Toys. Actually, I think I just got one figure coming in from 5K Toys. I lucked up on being able to get Mikey, the Michelangelo and the Donatello from Lee Jing-hung, the Ninja Turtles. You know, if you've seen my channel, you know I have the Raph and Leo, but I never copped the other two just because that's around I had got sick and I just wasn't able to pay when they asked me, so I kind of missed out. And then actually Kaiju Daddy, shout outs to Kaiju Daddy, he posted on the Don't Tell My Wife Facebook page that he had come across some more, and so I went on ahead and bought some from him. So I got the Donnie and Mike coming in as well. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. This is some old stuff. I am going to go ahead and do reviews of these, even though I know I'm not going to get a whole bunch of views, but I need to start triggering the algorithm again. And so the only way to do that is by posting videos. So that's what I am going to do. Sorry about the lighting. It's not that great. It's nighttime right now. And and I'm using the lights in the house, obviously. So yeah, I bought a few. I got a few things delivered here. So I got the E Honda. My shadow's covering that up. I got the E Honda from Jada Toys. So definitely looking forward to that. One of the bigger figures. I heard a lot of good things about this Balrog. So got that one in the building. So look forward to popping that open. You can probably see already that I do have the SH Figuarts Spider-Man. Really excited about this one. A lot of people think that's like the best Spider-Man ever. We will definitely put that to the test. And then the Akuma. So the Jada Toys Akuma. So I definitely needed to get that. I will be going to Comic-Con this year in San Diego. So I think they have a San Diego exclusive of him. So I'll be definitely getting that. But just a quick video here for 4 little figures in 4 minutes. So appreciate you watching if you did. Anyway, comment, like, and subscribe. Until the next time, peace.